Yeah, guys, we are on our way to the car show. Look at them. Look at them. The rest coming soon. Y'all ready for this car show?
More of a car meet.
Car meet? Car meet. Sorry, you know I don't know that difference. Y'all ready for this? You ready? You ready?
Yeah. On his head, trying to hear his bones crash. You been sleep all day, need to get off that dust. Like I said, he in my way, I don't care, so what? Tell me he was ready for the ride, tell him post up. Tell him we gon' gun him down. Tell him we gon' gun him down. Hit him with the 20 round. Hit him with a, I'm paralyzed in my dreams. It's very hard to like
That's a Hellcat train. No, that is a Scat. It's a wide body Scat. Yo. If he pops you.
Oh, dang.
Get all those cars.
Yup, he's gonna pop it. Yup.
Oh my god.
Yup.
Everybody needs to sit down.
Brian O'Connor.
Oh, Fast and Furious.
What in the world?
What do you mean, Brian O'Connor?
The green clips.
Oh, shit.
That's what they're recording right there.
Wow, they got matching cars.
We gotta drop it low.
Look at another G.
Look at it. Bomb by people. That one is fire. Got the cover.
I love it. I love it.
It's fine so far. They got mad cars.
Okay, that's 2 for Limbo. That's 3 for Limbo. What you got?
Feel it in my chest. Oh my god.
Yes, only at the car show. He performing.
Hey, go something. You something.
Question mark? Come on. I was gonna come up here, but I don't know if y'all will let me.
Hey, don't cross me, you don't want smoke. Hey, if you're crossing my streets, better look both ways. I ain't gon' lie, fuck me for this Dolce. You could do me for the D or next Thursday. She suck me at the front door. that's foreplay. Left my condoms at the crib, but what am I to rhyme?